Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another video, another wig hair video. So this hair belongs to my friend. Her name is Esther Lato. She's also a YouTuber. I will leave a link in the description box so that you can check her out. So she's supposed to make this wig by herself. That is why you can see the lace is already sewn. I'm the one that sewed it down for her to continue the rest, but she gave up. I advise her to watch a lot of tutorial. As a content creator, she need to also know how to make her wig by herself, because there are some people out there, they also learn it for this YouTube tutorial to make their wig by themselves. So she gave up. She said she cannot do it now. She just do this for her for the moment. So that is what I'll be doing with you guys today. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribe on the notification bell for you to be the first to notify whenever I upload a video. And a very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you guys for keep on supporting me. May God bless you all. So yes, now I place the dawn cap on top of the dawn hair, if that makes sense. So as I said before, I sewed the wig, the lace on top of the cap, so that is why you could not see me sewing it. So yeah, that is it. So I'll be using this metallic craft work pen. So it's very pigmented. I got it from AliExpress. Yeah, I got it from AliExpress. I will check it. I'll leave it in the description box. So I got silver, which is this, and also I got gold color. Maybe I will work with the silver, or probably I will work with both of them. So yeah, I don't mind. I can work with both of them. Very pigmented. So that is it. As a beginner, if you need something like this pencil, like this pen, is very good for beginner. So when you want to start your first wig, you need to draw it down. It doesn't matter if you don't have this, you can use any color pen to draw the line. So it will help you to guide the line when you are sewing the wig. So that is it. I'm not a perfect teacher for something like this, so I just try to explain how to get your wig done by yourself for as a beginner. So that is what I'm trying to explain. So yeah, I will just do it, everything down, draw everything down. So as you can see, I'm done drawing all the lines. So they are just to follow, just follow up, how you want. So I'm using two different needle. I'm using curve and straight needle with scissors. So I will be using 3 bonds of the hair. 3 bonds of hair, that is what I'll be using with you guys. So let me leave you guys to keep on watching and enjoy the music that go with it. This record voiceover is not that easy like that. So let me leave you. Keep on watching and stay blessed. See you soon. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is
is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Doesn't matter if it's true, I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Doesn't matter if it's true, I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
When you are cutting the excess cap, don't overcut it. No, you have to leave some space for you not to cut the sewing. No, you have to leave a little bit of the cap, the dump cap. Yeah. So I'll be using this water bottle which I mix with oil, so I will spray it into the air. You know, curly hair need water and oil and also finger to pick all the excess hair you don't need. You know, for curly hair, you know, you must have excess hair you don't need, you don't want for the hair. So I apply more water, continue spray till give me that look which I need, you know. So I use a comb to comb the root of the hair, not all the roots but the front of the hair. So you comb the roots, also continue with the finger, you know, to pick more of the excess hair. So I'll be cutting the excess lace. You know, when you are cutting the lace, you have to cut zigzag, you have to cut it zigzag. And also you can use the smaller scissors, is okay. So anything you can work with, just continue. So I apply more water, continue spraying it and using my fingers to pick them out, to arrange them out, to give me that look which I need, you know, that look that's, you know, when you wear the wig you say, yes, this is me, that is it. So this is the final look of this hair. So this is the final result. Yes, I also trimmed the hair down a little bit. I trimmed the, you know, you cannot make hair without trimming, you must trim something. So this is the final look. If you know you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. See you guys on my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
Take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner